What's up, guys? Today we'll talk about hosting, and as you know, I'm doing affiliate marketing, and I have tried a lot of I have tried many hosting providers, and probably the best one what I have found it's CloudWays. So CloudWays.com. This hosting provider provide different plans. And I'm using their simple plan, this one, which cost me only $10 per month. I can host many websites there, and the great bonus what they offer, it's free SSL certificate. You can install unlimited app installations. App installations, it means you can install, for example, 10 WordPress websites on this plan, or even more. Depends on how big your websites are. My website is bigget.com, and this website it's really huge because it's promoting affiliate products, and I got tons of products listed on my website. So if you are searching for stable WordPress hosting, what will also provide ESN, cache system, so free SSL certificate, as I told you, you should use CloudWays. I will put a link in my video description, and here is quick tutorial how to start with CloudWays. First of all, click on the link, register, you will get free trial, so you can first so you do not need to spend any money. You can easily transfer your website to CloudWays, and first of all try it. So when you are registered, click on add server and select here server size. You can start from their minimum plan and server location. For location, if you got mostly customers from Europe, then select London. If customers from United States, then select San Francisco, for example. So like this. When you have added your server, you can click here on applications, and here you can see I got two websites here in WordPress. If you want to add more website, click on these three dots and click on add application. If you want to create another server, simply click on clone server. So when you have add application, here you can see your public IP, and what you need to do is if your website is hosted on other hosting provider, you can easily transfer it. So simply go to plugins in your website, click on add new, type here CloudWays WordPress migration, and install this plugin. And there will be easy to follow step-by-step tutorial. Easy to follow step-by-step tutorial. After completing it, you will transfer your website to CloudWays hosting. Also, you can use their promo code. I will put everything in video description, so make sure to use promo code including my affiliate link. Then you got additional bonuses like this. So guys, I personally using this hosting provider, and I really recommend to everyone to start using it. I try many services like GoDaddy, HostGator, and in my opinion everyone should start moving your websites to cloud hosting providers. CloudWays is a really great option. You can also, if you are a web developer or affiliate, you can also promote them. And for depending on what you will select here, you can also build your reselling business. For example, you can join Fiverr and offer you can offer WordPress speed up services. For example, many people are struggling that their website loading is not so fast, and with CloudWays you can make your websites loading fast. And you can also offer such services on Fiverr and other freelance platforms. If you have any problems with moving your website to CloudWays, you can contact me in comments below, or you can contact their support team and they will offer you free migration service. Okay guys, I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.